Good morning, dear students. This lecture is for basic first year. Today we will study phylum Poryphera. Now I am going to discuss general characters and classification of the phylum Poryphera up to classes. Phylum Poryphera is the first phylum of the kingdom Animalia. The name of the phylum is derived from the Latin word namely porus means pore and feru means to bear. These animals are simply known as pore-bearing animals, hence classified under the phylum Poryphera. Now we'll see general characters one by one. These are strictly aquatic, freshwater or marine. They have multicellular body. The cells are present in loose aggregation. The tissues are not formed. These are diploblastic animals. The outer layer is ectoderm and the inner layer is endoderm. In between these two layers, there is a gelatinous layer called mesoglia. Body surface has many small perforations called ostia. These are in current pores. There are also large perforations called oscula. These are excurrent pores. The animals have canal system. There are spongin fibers and spicules which form a skeleton. Reproduction is asexual as well as sexual. Phylum Poryphera has been further divided into three classes which are as follows. The first class is class Calcarea. Best example for class Calcarea is the cycon. Let's see how this animal looks and what are its morphology. The first character of class Calcarea is the spicules are calcareous. These are strictly marine sponges. The body is cylindrical or vase shaped. It is radially symmetrical. Size of the body is small, ranging from few to 15 cm in height. Canine system may be of ascon, cycon or of simple leucon type. The choanocytes are large. Examples for class Calcarea are cycon, crantia, etc. Now we will discuss about the class 2, that is Hexactinellida. Now we will see the characters for class Hexactinellida. The spicules are siliceous, generally 6-rayed. These are strictly marine sponges. The body is cylindrical or vase shaped. It is radially symmetrical. The size of these sponges is moderate and ranges from 10 to 30 centimeters in height. The canal system is of leucon type. The choanocytes are smaller. These are popularly known as glass sponges. Examples are Euplectella and Hyalonema. Now the third class, Demospongia. Let's see the characters. First one, the skeleton is made up of siliceous spicules or spongin fibers or both. In some forms, the skeleton is absent. Some are marine, while a few are freshwater forms. The body is asymmetrical. The canal system is of leucon type. It is either apodal or dipodal. Examples, spongilla and bath sponge. Sponge bodies transversed by several canals of various types. These canals together form a canal system. There are several types of canal systems. In cycon, the canal system is of a cyconoid type. Now let's see how the canal system of a cycon is composed of. First main part of the canal system in cycon is spongocoel, which is a cavity called spongocoel or paragastric cavity, and which is lined by pinacocytes. Pinacocytes are the specialized cells which lines or which builds the spongocoel. Now radial canals. These are also called flagellated chambers. These are the finger-like outpushings of spongocoel. All the canals lie in the thick body wall which is lining the spongocoel. The radial canals are lined with choanocytes in cross section. Each radial canal appears octagonal. Each radial canal is closed at the outer end, but with the inner end it opens into a short and wide excurrent canal by an aperture called apopyle. The excurrent canal then opens into spongocoel. This opening is called as gastric ostium. Now we will see excurrent canal. It is a short and wide passage between the radial canal and spongocoel. It connects radial canal with spongiocele. The excurrent canals are lined with flat ectodermal cells like spongiocele. Between the excurrent canal and the spongiocele, there is a broad connection called gastric ostium. Now, incurrent canals. In between these two successive radial canals, there is an incurrent canal. In other words, the radial canals alternate with incurrent canals along the vertical axis.